Hi, in this tutorial we are going to learn about when I want to send emails to all these email addresses, but when I doing one by one it is taking much more time. When I just copy it and send to this recipient and just copy another one, then again I'm going here to paste and again going there and copy. We have, but we have many emails like 5100 whatever ranges that we can just put all the emails in just one cell, and with one click we are able to send the same email to all persons. Okay, so let us go. Then I will give you this a formula equal to, then text join, then start bracket and double quotation, then I will put here comma, close the double quotation, then comma, I will write it here true, comma, and select here all those emails. Okay, then close the bracket and enter. So now we have all these emails in just one cell. Then what we are doing, we are just going to remove these emails, and then I will just copy this cell. Okay, then I will just paste here. Okay, we have all those emails for which I am going to send the same email. Then I'm just writing here subject and type here my email. Okay, whatever you would like to write here, and just press send. Okay, so the same email will be sent to all those recipients for which I am going to send them email. Okay, so when you have many different emails, whatever ranges there, you just put all the emails in one cell and copy it and paste in your email address and send them. Okay, so it is very informative, and do not forget to subscribe our channel and stay tuned for coming other maybe informative updates. Thanks so much.